Here's a nice chromatic bluesy lick that you might like to try. Here it is again. Breaking that down, I'm playing string number 2, fret 3, going to string number 3, fret 5, to the open 3rd string, to the 3rd fret 3rd string, 4th fret 3rd string, then the open 3rd string, open 4th string, 2nd fret 4th string. So far we have then I move to the 3rd fret 4th string, open 3rd string, 3rd fret 4th string, open 4th string, and then the 1st fret string 5, 2nd fret string 5, 3rd fret string 6. So that last half so if I play the lick to you slow, here it is one more time up to speed. So this lick works over a blues scenario or anything kind of mixolydian based. I'll put a link to a backing track for you down below that you can play and jam along with.